Terra Luna Classic's price is exploding. You guys are not going to want to miss this exclusive information. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And make sure to join our free Discord with a second link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everybody, we all know that Terra Luna Classic has been doing amazing over the last couple of days, and especially over the last 24 hours. And we are not subscribing to that, but as you can see, we can go real quick here. We are up 65% just over the last 24 hours, and even higher if you actually go back all the way to here. Now, look at this, guys. This is happening live as I'm making this video. A massive breakout from this bull flag pattern that I talked about just a little bit ago. I said, guys, look at this pattern, look at the technicals, look at everything. It's all right there out in front of you, and you might be wondering, well, what do you mean by that? Let me explain. So first things first, right? We're above the 200-day SMA line, which is this orange line right here. Typically, when the price or the candles, whatever you'd like to refer to them as, goes over that line, it's a very, very bullish indication. This is where we saw that massive breakout here, and it just continued to go up and up and up. And the further away you go from the 200-day SMA, the more likely you are to stay above the 200-day SMA and continue to make more profit. And of course, coupled with technical patterns like these bull flags are classic patterns. Look at the way we bounced off this previous lower channel right here, that support channel right there. Look at the way we bounced off of it twice, right? Once and then another, and then we just continue to go up and up and up. And the momentum there was so strong that in a previous video I literally talked about this is going to continue to likely break out, and we could see some potentially more gains here as we break out of this pattern. What ended up happening as we were making the video? Exactly that. We broke out of that pattern, and we're still doing very well. I want to talk just a little bit about the gains though that we're experiencing and what is happening, right? Like, just there's so much confusion right now in the markets. A lot of people are absolutely euphoric about what's going on with the price of Terra Luna Classic right now. Trust me, I understand. And of course, as well, this is why you guys have to hit the subscribe button. It's one of the best ways to keep up to date with not only Terra Luna information, but as well just overall our price predictions, our future ideas, and what we're looking at with this cryptocurrency. We have been talking about this for a month and a half, probably longer than that now, talking about Terra Luna Classic and how it could spike in price sooner rather than later, and what do you know, it actually did. But let's talk about this article here. Terra Classic has spiked over 17.63% in just the last 24 hours. Reason might comfort you, and which is really funny about that, the fact that they're posting this, but then if you actually look, obviously it's way higher than just 17% as it's talking about in this article. But let's talk a little bit more about this, right? So Luna holders woke up to a pleasant surprise on the morning of the 27th of June when the infamous hacker activist group known as Anonymous announced they're looking into Do Kwon's crimes. Notably, the Anonymous group earned its popularity for hacking and exposing corruption in government and major corporations around the world. The hacker activist group now plans on investigating the Terra founder with regards to Luna and the UST crash. Interestingly, the announcement yielded a second pleasant surprise for Luna and LUNC holders, as the Luna or LUNC coin traded at over 8846 level during press time, and after that about a 17.63% rally in just 24 hours. We know now, of course, too, that wasn't the last of it, and it's up over 63%, 65% now at the time of making this video, of course, just today. Absolutely incredible, and a lot of people are asking, can LUNC maintain this bullish performance? Now, it's hard to tell if the latest uptake will turn out to be a passing fad or lead to better days for its holders. Although Anonymous promised to seek justice for Luna holders hurt by Do Kwon's actions, the activist group also warned that investors may not receive compensation for their losses. However, Terra's 2.0 is operational. Investors have hope for Terra Classic's future. Furthermore, LUNC's latest upsurge has the second strongest bullish volume ever since its relaunch. It was also characterized by a strong uptick in its market cap, which reflects strong inflows in the last 24 hours. They're not wrong. Look at the overall volume just over the last 24 hours. It's up 204%. Not only that, but actually a day ago when we were making videos about this, the volume was up over 600% in just 24 hours, guys. So the volume rushing into this cryptocurrency right now is at no shortage, and it just continues to go up and up and up. And again, the big question that everybody keeps asking is, will this continue to go like this? A big big kind of thing you need to consider with this are support levels, right? These were the 2 support levels I talked about earlier, but again, we can't do support like that. We have to do it more like this. So here was our first kind of major support level that we bounced off of around the 12139 zone. We bounced off a further support level at about the 12507 zone, and now it just continues to go further up and up and up. And the real question here, like I said, is if this can continue. It just depends on how many times we bounce off that support level, and as long as we don't break below that support level, if we were to break below that support level, we could potentially see some further downside. But as long as we continue to trade in a tight consolidation pattern like the one we're seeing right now, and we continue to go in an upward direction, things will hopefully, in my opinion, look very good. But please remember, that's not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence before investing in any asset or security. You guys know how it goes. But overall, very exciting time to be a Terra Classic holder, to be in the Terra Luna community in general, and just in general to kind of tell the haters, hey, you guys are wrong. But then again, what else was new, right? The same thing happened with Shiba Inu, the same thing happened with SafeMoon, the same thing happened with a host of other cryptocurrencies, and now it's happening once again with Terra Luna Classic. Either way, guys, let me know what you think about all this down in the comments below. Make sure to join our free Discord with that second link down in the description below. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.